Hi friends, welcome to my Windows 10 Explore channel. Today we are going to talk about the latest new keyboard shortcuts that are available in our latest Windows 11 OS. The first new keyboard shortcut is Windows-A. This Windows-A keyboard shortcut opens the Action Center in Windows 10, but in the Windows 11 it opens the newly designed Action Center with the options like Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot and volume controls like this one. And for the second new keyboard shortcut, that is widget shortcut, that is Windows+W. The widgets are newly created. These are like gadgets in the Windows 7 which comes with the news, top stories, calendars, and we can also add widgets like these to do or sports or like these. And for the third new keyboard shortcut, that is Windows notifications. If you have any notifications in this taskbar, you can simply open them by pressing Windows+N keyboard shortcuts. If there are no notifications in this area, it will simply open the calendar for you. And for the final keyboard shortcut, it is very useful for snapping our windows. Like here, I am going to open this file explorer. Now I want to snap this here or here or here or here. I can do this by using a new keyboard shortcut, that is Windows+Z. If it opens this snapping feature, you can select them and the window is automatically snapped to that place like this one. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe or share my video for more latest Windows updates.